Let's see. So this is a gift from my team, and I didn't open it. I was still, I guess, processing emotions and all these things, obviously, but now is the time. So and it's gonna be my first time being a barista, so wish me luck with my barista movements. Alright, so these two little bodies are for the extraction of the espresso, okay? Are spare parts because the extractor has one already in, so I believe these are spare ones. Anyway, if I have any doubt, I can ask in the mall. Look, there is double extraction, so I hope the extraction will be very good. And this is a measuring cup for the powder after we grind the coffee beans. For that, I have something additional. The boys were kind enough to give me the grinder, which I'm also opening now, so you can see it first. I haven't tried it yet. I haven't tried anything yet. So very easy peasy Japanesey. So here we are. You can see, okay. And has the cover on the side. Alrighty, let's go to the main thing. Yes, here we go. But part by part. So this is to clean the machine, okay? Because obviously coffee has certain level of acidity, which is producing some calcium in the machine. So we need this to clean it after usage. Now, before, oh my God, look at this. Alrighty, look at this. Miss DeLonghi is on fire. Yes, that's how I'm calling my machine, Miss DeLonghi. Look at this. This is to steam the milk, and I hope I will have a lot of fun with that. I always wanted to learn how to do it. This is to pressure so we have the coffee powder here, and we will do this way. So it will be very, very firm and very tight. So the extraction should be perfect. Now, let's go to the main show. Esole. Amazing. Wonderful. Y con ustedes, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you, Miss DeLonghi. Bravo! Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? So grateful for this gift. So we have the steamer over here, single espresso, double espresso, etc. I will start exploring this beautiful. Don't miss out for the next videos, as I will be practicing my espresso, and nothing. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.